Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of TikTok gifting. Have you ever wondered how TikTok creators actually make money from those virtual gifts you send during live streams? Well, you're in the right place. We'll break down the entire process and uncover the secrets behind this innovative monetization method that has taken the social media world by storm. Whether you're a seasoned TikTok creator looking to boost your income or just curious about how this all works, stick around because you won't want to miss this. Gifting on TikTok isn't just beneficial for creators, it also offers several advantages for the gifters themselves. Here's a closer look at how gifters benefit from participating in TikTok's gifting economy. Recognition and visibility, shoutouts. When a gifter sends a gift during a live stream, their username and gift are often highlighted on the screen, garnering attention from the creator and other viewers. Special mentions. Creators frequently acknowledge gifters by name, providing a sense of recognition and appreciation that can be very rewarding. Engagement and interaction. Sending gifts can lead to direct interaction with creators, such as responses to comments or special messages during live streams. Priority attention. Gifters often receive priority when it comes to questions, requests, or shoutouts, making them feel more connected to the creator. Community status and influence. High-value gifts act as status symbols within the TikTok community, showcasing the gifter's support and dedication. Leaderboard presence. Some creators maintain leaderboards to recognize top gifters, adding a competitive element and social recognition within the community. Supportive role. Gifters derive emotional satisfaction from supporting their favorite creators and contributing to their success. Community building. Gifting helps build a sense of belonging and participation in the creator's community, enhancing the overall experience on TikTok. Exclusive content and rewards. Creators may offer exclusive content, early access, or special perks to their top gifters, providing additional value beyond public content. Rewards and incentives. Some creators run special events, giveaways, or challenges for their gifters, offering a chance to win prizes or receive exclusive rewards. Participation in creator growth. Gifters can influence the type of content a creator produces by showing support for certain kinds of videos or themes. Direct impact. Knowing that their contributions directly help creators improve their content and sustain their channels adds a sense of purpose to the gifter's actions. Enhanced viewing experience. Interactive features. Gifting makes live streams and interactions more dynamic and engaging, providing a richer and more interactive viewing experience. Unique engagement. Sending gifts can trigger unique animations and reactions during live streams, enhancing the overall entertainment value. For gifters on TikTok, sending virtual gifts offers more than just a way to spend money. It provides recognition, engagement, status, emotional satisfaction, exclusive content, and a direct role in the growth of their favorite creators. These benefits create a rewarding and immersive experience that enhances their participation in the TikTok community. When a creator receives a virtual gift, TikTok converts it into diamonds. The conversion rate is set by TikTok, and it's usually around half the value of the coins spent on the gift. Diamonds to cash. Creators can then convert these diamonds into cash. The cash value is less than the purchase price of the coins due to TikTok's commission. Minimum threshold. Creators need to accumulate a certain amount of earnings before they can withdraw money. This threshold varies by region. Payout methods. Once they reach the threshold, creators can withdraw their earnings through various methods, such as PayPal or bank transfers. This gifting economy creates an engaging way for fans to support their favorite creators while also generating revenue for TikTok. Virtual currency ecosystem. Users can buy TikTok coins via in-app purchases. Prices for coin bundles are tiered, offering better value for larger purchases. Coins are the primary currency used to purchase virtual gifts on the platform. Virtual gifts. Gifts range from inexpensive, simple icons, like roses or hearts, to more elaborate and costly animations, like a TikTok universe or a lion. Event specials. TikTok often introduces limited-time gifts during special events or holidays, which can drive up user engagement and spending. Engagement tactics. Creators use various tactics to encourage gifting, such as shoutouts, personalized thank you messages, and special content for top gifters. Live stream activities, games, Q&A sessions, and other interactive activities during live streams are often used to incentivize viewers to send gifts. Leaderboards. Some creators maintain leaderboards to acknowledge their top gifters, adding a competitive element to the gifting process. Economic considerations. TikTok's cut, TikTok takes a substantial portion of the revenue from coins before converting them into diamonds for the creators. Creator payouts. After conversion, creators can withdraw their earnings, though the amount they receive is significantly less than what was originally spent by the gifter. Exchange rates and fees, fluctuating values. The value of coins and diamonds can be subject to change based on TikTok's policies. Transaction fees, payment processing and withdrawal fees can further reduce the net earnings for creators. Legal and ethical aspects, terms of service, compliance. Both gifters and creators must adhere to TikTok's terms of service, which govern the usage of virtual gifts and coins. Fraud prevention. TikTok employs measures to prevent fraudulent activities related to in-app purchases and gifting. Age restrictions. Users typically need to be of a certain age to purchase coins and send gifts, complying with regional regulations. Promotional campaigns, influencer partnerships. TikTok often collaborates with influencers to promote virtual gifts and coins, leveraging their reach to boost user engagement. Advertising. In-app advertisements and push notifications are used to inform users about new gift types and special promotions. Tutorials and guides. TikTok provides educational content to help users understand how to purchase and use coins and gifts. Support resources, FAQs, help centers, and customer support are available for users who encounter issues with purchasing or gifting. Psychological aspects, behavioral insights, impulse buying. The ease of purchasing coins and sending gifts can lead to impulsive spending behaviors. Reward mechanisms. The immediate feedback, such as recognition from creators, acts as a reward mechanism, reinforcing the behavior of gifting. By understanding these additional details, users can make more informed decisions about participating in the TikTok gifting economy, while creators can better strategize to maximize their earnings and engagement. Hey everyone, I just wanted to give a big shout out to all my amazing subscribers here on YouTube. Your support means the world to me. If you're enjoying the content and want to be a part of an even more interactive experience, head over to my TikTok community. If you're looking for the best product and service recommendations, join me on TikTok. Over there, I share exclusive insights, reviews, and recommendations that you won't want to miss. Let's connect on TikTok and make the most of our community together. See you there. Let's keep the conversation going on TikTok. Can't wait to see you there. And for those of you who are new to the channel, welcome. If you're looking for more interesting and informative content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. We cover a wide range of topics here, and there's always something exciting coming up. Join our community, and let's explore and learn together. Thanks for tuning in. Now that you know all about the TikTok gifting economy, you can better understand how your support translates into real earnings for your favorite creators. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button for more insights into the digital world. Have any questions or want to share your own experiences with TikTok gifting? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep gifting, keep creating, and keep supporting your favorite creators. See you in the next video.